In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 17. You can see here. First, we need to create this circle for 26. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice template, then click here open. Then go to the top, select here also, you can select here top, make it like this. Then go to the circle, click here, make it a circle radius 26. Go to here, make it a 26, then press enter. Then again go to the circle, make it circle this location for radius 6 and radius 2.5. Go to here, click here, make it a radius 6, then press enter, repeat the same command. Click here, make it a 2.5, then press enter. Select this one, go to here, copy, click here, place it this quadrant and this quadrant and this quadrant, then press escape key. Next we need to create this circle for 22.5. Go to here, go to the circle, go near to the circle, you will get it center. Click here 22.5, then press enter. You can see here this circle. Next we can trim and remove. Once you trim, after that we can make it this fillet also radius 7. Go to here, select this one, delete it. Now we don't want that one. Go to the trim tool, trim this one, trim this one. Similar way you can trim here, repeat the same here also. Next we need to make it this fillet for radius 7. Go to here, select here fillet radius 7, then press enter. Select this one, select this one, press enter, repeat the same here also, all the location. Press enter, repeat the same. Finish. This one is finished. Then go to here, southeast isometric. Type J in your keyboard, press enter. Select this one, press again enter. Now this one is ready. You can see here this one base thickness, it is 3 mm. Go to here, select this one, go to extrude, make it 3, then press enter. Next we need to create the circle. Go to the press tool, click here, make it like this. Similar way, click here, make it like this. Continue the same. Select this circle, delete it, and select this one also, delete it. You can see here. Next we need to make it this circle, this one, that is radius 17. Go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, you will get it here center mark. We need to make it for 17 radius, 17, press enter. Next we need to make it press full up to 5.5. Go to here, go to the press tool, click here, make it 5.5, then press enter. Then select this circle, delete it. Next we need to create the circle for radius 14. Go to here, go to the circle, go near to this, you will get it here center mark, make it 14, then press enter. Next we need to make it press full for 3.5. Go to here, go to the press tool, click here, make it 3.5, then press enter. Press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Next we need to create the circle for radius 11 mm. Go to here, go to the circle again, Just go near to this, you will get it here center, make it 11, press enter. Then go to the press tool, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Now this one is ready. We need to make it this fillet also for radius 1.5. Just go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, go to the radius, make it 1.5, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also, press double enter. Now this product is ready. We can create the drawing also. Just go to here, select here layout, then go to the layout tab, select here base, from model space, click here, press enter, click here and place it here, place it here, press enter, you will get it everything. Select this one, go to here edit, make it here shaded with visible line, and go to the visibility, tangent edges we don't want, make it no, then press double enter, it is ready. Next you can create the dimensions and all. Already you know how to create dimensions and all. Then you can see you need to make it this circle for center line. You can go to here, select here center line layer, then go to the circle. You can create the circle also here. Just go near to this, you will get it here center, then go to here, make it in this center. You can create like this center. Next you can make your center mark also. Just go to here, annotate center mark. You can select this one or this one, any circle you can create like this. You can make a center mark. Then you can see these lines are showing like this. If you want to increase or decrease LTS scale, type LTS line type scale, then press enter. I just make here 0.5, then press enter. You can see here, you will get it this one center line like this. If you want, you can adjust like this. Then other all the thing normal dimension, you can make a radius and this one, this linear dimensions, and you can make changes in this. Then you can save the drawing, you can print the drawing.